Hi friends! Tapos na ako mag-workout at mag-shower. So, magluluto na ako ng breakfast. Tulog pa ang mga bagets. I'm so proud na i-announce na consistent ako nag-workout for more than a week na. Pero, sana ay matuloy-tuloy ko. Tingnan natin. Hindi, sure ako. Sure ako itutuloy-tuloy ko. Desidido ako dahil pagod na akong mapagod. Pagod na akong ma-feel na hindi ako healthy. Pagod na akong mainis na hindi kasya yung mga damit ko. Oo, may mga damit ako hindi nakasya sa akin. Dati small ako ngayon medium na. So, diba, agapan na natin bago pa maging large and XL. Alam niyo, usually, dapat hindi yan sinishare I mean, I'm not the type of person na na parang sinishare yung plano. Ay, plano ko magpa-sexy or plano ko mag-lose ng weight. Usually, pagka may mga goal ako na ganyan, hindi ko sinishare. Nakalimutan ko yung term sa Tagalog. Basta parang ibig sabihin is na hindi matutuloy or parang makukontra. Kapag may plano ka na ipinagsabi mo, makukontra, tapos hindi matutuloy. So, kapag hindi ako pumayat, yun yung totoo yun. Yung aking kamatis, pang salad ito. Kaya lang, maluluma na siya. Hindi pa kami nagsasalad. So, so ito, lulutuin ko na. Ikakat ko siya para pang fried rice. So, spam, onion, eggs. Tapos, lalagyan ko ng mushroom, tomatoes, and corn. Yan ang aking fried rice. Nagmumultitask ako, syempre. Habang nagluluto ako ng fried rice, ikakat ko na din yung strawberry. Actually, nila to, parang morning snack. Pero bibilisan ko. Kasi, baka bumangon si Andrew, makita niya. Ito na lang ang kakainin niya. Hindi na niya makakakain ng, breakfast. Mahilig yan sila sa fruits. Walang problema. Pero sa gulay, hindi masyado. Okay, I'll call you when it's ready. Go to Daddy. I will call you when it's ready. Okay? I will call you when it's ready. Okay? Go to Daddy.
No.
Why? Let's watch TV. Watch TV?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Open it
I
on.
want some strawberry.
That's for later. Yun na nga, nakita ni Andrew. Pero buti na lang din niya pinilit. Bibilisan ko bago niya maalala. Busy muna siya manood ng TV. Hi everybody! Tapos na ako mag-breakfast. Nakalimutan ko i-vlog. Pero, hi Maya! Hi Maya girl! That's your breakfast? Huh? Is that your breakfast? Wala ka pang teeth. Let me check. Maya! Maya! I was talking to my husband about something. I just thought it's very interesting to share. Na, sabi ko, nakita mo ba sa Facebook, sa, social media, mga reels na yung mga tatay, we talked about this because we have a Maya. We have Maya, we have a girl, right? Would you do this to her? Like, take her on a date, give her flowers, and stuff like that. On Facebook kasi, sa social media, di ba, sinasabi, the father will set the standards for the daughter so that the daughter will know how to be treated and all that. So, I asked my husband if he will do that. Of course, meron na akong opinion sa isip ko na kung dapat ba niyang gawin yun para sa aking anak o hindi. Pero I just want to see what he said. Do you want to say it again?
What?
The one we talked about earlier.
What?
Like, will you do that to Maya?
No.
Why?
It's more about like normal behavior between people.
Yeah.
So like temperament, how you resolve issues, and if you're respectful or not. I would say, I don't know. If you just have general respect for each other.
Yeah, for people, right? Not just for her.
Yeah.
And
how you
also-
treat people.
Yeah.
Like, not just her, but how you treat people in general.
Yeah. Ako naman, sa isip ko, I think it's more like how he treated me. So, what I think she should see is how the dad treat the mom. Oh, ganito pala dapat itrato ng lalaki ang asawa or ang girlfriend, diba? So, that's what matters. Hindi yung, kapag Valentine's Day or pag anniversary, dapat may flowers, dapat may chocolates, or dapat may ganyan. So, sa asawa ko, ang kanyang, dapat daw ang makita ng anak namin is kung paano niya itrato paano siya maging decent and respectful towards ibang tao, which is true naman. Ako naman, ganun din. But mostly, I think what she should see is how the dad treat the mom. That will be the standard na, my dad always treats my mom with respect, make her coffee in the morning, things like that. Right? Or little things. It doesn't have to be every Valentine's Day or birthdays and anniversaries.
Give her a coffee maker for her and buy her some yarn.
Buy her some yarn. Yeah, support her hobby, right? Support her stuff, whatever she wants to do. Anyway, today is holiday, so hindi kami magpapak. Are we still packing today? We can, yeah. Gusto ko sana mag-pack para hindi matambak yung mga orders. So, baka mag-pack pa din ako mamaya. Pero may mga hindi ako ipapak. Kasi minsan nasisira yung group. Kasi meron kaming parang tinatawag na group label or group scan. So, lahat ng order sa eBay, for example, pagsasama-samahin namin, tapos meron lang isang barcode na i-scan yung post office para i-accept yun. Hindi na nila kailangan i-scan isa-isa. So, pag nag-nap si Maya, magpapakpa din siguro ako ng konti yung mga hindi kailangan i-group. Tapos mag-homeschool kami, and then we're gonna go grocery shopping.
House looks old and sad. Sad, maybe. No one is here, Seth yelled. We are wet and cold. Will you let us in?
Hi guys! Hi friends! Kami ay mag-grocery shopping muna. So now we need meat.
We have an open space up there. What kind of meat?
Lots of chicken.
Chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken.
Pag maramihan ang bili namin, bumibili kami sa BJ's. Maramihan na meat. Kasi meron kaming deep freezer. Doon kami nag-stock ng mga meat. And then last time, I wanted to make chicken tikka masala. So I need boneless chicken. Ingay ni Maya. Are you okay, Maya?
First pick brownies. No, we get brownies. I know, but that's all you need, fabric softener.
Yeah.
You didn't actually clean it first.
My favorite of.
Okay. You want to
I can get this for $5.
Pull the paper and go close. Those are bone-in, like quarters.
Which one?
150 per pound. Yeah. Which one? Which one?
Boneless.
Boneless. So boneless is up here.
So there's no boneless.
Maybe up here. This way? Yeah, boneless thighs right here. These are, what is it? $3 a pound.
3?
Yep.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's like
There you go.
doubled.
Held it.
Like double the price.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Need another operator.
Huh?
Need another operator.
Operator. Maya is awake. At hindi ko siya pinapatulog. Kasi para pag uwi namin siya matulog para makapag-pack ako ng orders. Diba? So hello everybody. Inaantok na siya. How about the mix? Those are just peaches.
Mixed with the cherries or just peaches only?
Oh, pangalawang hulog mo na yan, Andrew. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Look, as you just push him. You have to lift up. 1, 2, 3. Ah! You're so heavy, Andrew. Again, 1, 2, 3. Ha!
Excuse me. Do you buy clothes at a yard sale?
Yeah?
You do? I'm gonna be having one pretty soon.
Oh, yeah.
And I have I also have name brand perfume that I have too many of. I was went crazy shopping, so I want to try and get rid of it. When? Soon. Give me your number and I'll call you.
Ito, magpapak na po ako. Hindi ako sure kanina kung makakapag-pack ba ako kasi nga umalis kami. Pero nakatulog si Maya ulit. So ngayon, ito, magpapak muna ako. Wait. Isang set ng can dispenser na benta ni Mr. sa Etsy. And then ito yung mga iba pa. Sunglasses cases, reading sunglasses at blue light blocking glasses. 6 na CeraVe. Skin renewing treatment, nail polish, towelette for parang hair color stain remover, at 2 set ng nail polish pa. Eto, madami ako na pull out na damit, pero I don't know if ipapack ko siya today kasi nga holiday. Hindi naman talaga ako required mag-pack today. Talagang nagpapack lang ako dahil ayoko matambakan ng ipapack para bukas. Medyo nakaluwag-luwag tayo dito. Ewan ko kung mapapansin ninyo. Pero, medyo malinis, diba? Madami tayong space. Actually, naglinis ako nung isang araw. So, ayos yun. Very productive. Gusto ko makaluwag-luwag dito dahil nga, meron pa din kaming product na nandun sa trailer. Wala kaming space dito na para yung mga product namin sa trailer ay maipasok na dito. So, hanggang ngayon ay nandun pa din sila. Ilang buwan na. Pero hindi ko siya tatrabahuhin today. Inuunti-unti ko lang. Alam nyo na kung ano lang yung kayang gawin for the day. Why are you here?
I didn't open my bag.
Hey, help me. Oh, you just want to play the fan. Be careful. Can you put this thing for me? This package? Here, on the ground. Yeah, there. Okay, this is next.
Here?
No.
To the bottom?
No.
To the fan?
Yeah. Oh, no.
To the here?
No.
To
You
the
tricked me.
yeah.
Put it back there, please. Yes. One more. What are you doing with that? We're going inside now. Okay, tell Daddy I'm almost done. Hindi ko na ipapaka yung mga damit. Bukas na lang. It's holiday. Itetenga ko lang yan dito. Bukas pa namin yan i-shape together with whatever I will pack tomorrow. Diba? Alright, so let's go.